Oh, there you go. There you go.
The camera, the problem? Okay.
Hey. How beautiful is this? This is the first mosque the Prophet came here. Look at the gardens right there. On the tree, let me show you that. And there is a light end of the tunnel.
Yeah, it's coming out. Okay.
Oh, it's coming out.
It's coming out. Come on.
Wow, 5 birds. But কি দেখাবেন? Okay, sure.
মিউজিয়াম।
হ্যাঁ, বুঝছি।
এটা হলো তুর্কি মসজিদ। এখানে ইস্তাম্বুল থেকে ট্রেনে হাজিরা আসা যাওয়া করে।
আচ্ছা।
পুরো রেল স্টেশন। এখনো ভিতরে রেলের পাত আছে।
আচ্ছা। ইমুলে।
বইয়ামুলে। এরা তো 600-700 বছর পুরো মিডল ইস্ট শাসন করছে।
রাইট। আর এইটা কি?
আর এটা হলো এইখান থেকে বিভিন্ন সরকারি কাজের মদিনার যত কাজের আছে এইখান থেকে অর্ডার।
আচ্ছা। টার্কিশ মস্ক এইটা
রেল স্টেশনের এরিয়া।
আচ্ছা।
এইটা হলো গভর্নর সিটি মেয়র যে আছে। মদিনার গভর্নরের উপর সাদা কালার।
There is rail compartment is there, that one, and this is the city museum. That's the Turkish mosque, and this is the Medina governor house. Perfect. This is the front side of the museum, Turkish train museum, and also as part of the Nabubi. There is Mina over there. Let me bring this. There is the Mina. Wow. Right. This is mosque is right there. The Mina is there, and that's the flag. Here is from the other side. Train track is there. Train compartment is there. I think this is the ticket thing. This Medina Turkish train station. Right now it's museum. That is the museum. But today is Friday, so that's why it's closed. And that's the Turkish mosque. Beautiful mosque. And that is the government house. When they ruled this Medina, that's when they built it, probably 100-200 years old. And this is the train station. Look at the train is still there. That looks beautiful. দেখা যাবে সুন্দর এটা। সব নিম গাছ না? This is the government office. That's where all the thing comes out. And that's part of the train station. That's part of the train station. There. This is Masjid Qubāʼ. Or Jummah, that's what they say. That's what when Prophet Muhammad SAW came first in this city, that's where he decided the first Jummah here. That's why it calls Jummah. Masjid Qubāʼ. Quba. I came here last time. It was during the night time. Look at how many. This is the first mosque in Medina. আচ্ছা রাইট না ও দেখছে যে আমি ইউটিউবে রিজেন্ট করতেছি all the way there. We're gonna pray the Asr Jama here. This is called This is Masjid Qubāʼ, and I'm praying the Asr Namaz here, Asr Salah here. This is the first mosque in Medina. I am praying Asr Jama in Masjid Qubāʼ. Just finished with Asr Salah in Quba Mosque. Here. They expanded this Quba. Look at how many the buses there. That's the one. It's beautiful. I think this is the first mosque ever built. The mosque Quba Masjid Quba. From outside, we see all 4 Mina there. just prayed there, but I think we're going to the garden. I am entering into a dates garden. Here is that. Uh-oh. I think we need to get tickets. Dates there are a lot of dates. Those are not ripe yet. Here people sit. How are you doing? And he came free because he's a driver. Glass
দিতেরই সৌন্দর্যের জন্য আপনি
Oh,
চেহারা আপনি
okay.
দেখবেন
Look at myself. Yeah. That's
সুন্দর করছে ভিতরে
হ্যাঁ।
বসার জায়গা এটা কি খেজুর বাগান কুবার
This
পাশে
is
এটা খুবই সুন্দর
yeah, this is right next to the Quba Mosque, and this is the one of the date garden.
আমার নিয়ে ভিডিও
Look, yeah, we'll take his. Look at this. Nice. They put the stuff around it to protect.
খেজুর আছে কিন্তু দেখতে না
There are some dates on the tree. Let me show you the dates there. There are a lot of dates. Those are not ripe yet. Here people sit.
টিকেটটা কোথায় রাখছে পকেটে
Bird cage. I heard it's a big bird. Yes. Hello. Just do it. Same thing. Just do it. Wow, this is beautiful. I saw this is another YouTube. The bird. This is.
চলে পাখি আসবে আসলে বললে হাতে হাতে এইভাবে হাতে নিয়ে নাচবে এখনই দেখবেন নাচবে পাখি একটু কাছে এসে চলে আসবে.
I'm gonna feed the bird now. I heard it's gonna come. Come on, bird. All right, the bird's not coming, so we're just gonna go somewhere else. Where the bird comes, the bird are everywhere. There. Ah, there you go. He got a bird.
আপনারা এখানে যাবে আপনারা এখানে যাবে এখানে রাখেন হ্যাঁ এখন ভিডিও ওপেন আছে তো না এখন আসবে ওই যে আসতেছে আর আসতেছে.
Look at these 3 birds with me. 4 birds. 5 birds with me. He's got 2, so I like it. This is. Wow, 5 birds. This bird just come to your hand when you put some. I think I don't have any more, so they're just going away. Wow, this is beautiful.
আরেকটা আসছে
The big birds are look at.
হ্যাঁ হাতে আসছে.
Nice, thank you. I had 7 birds one time. Now I got 1. He doesn't want to eat. He just wants to eat. Let's go. Now he's moving with me.
এগুলো আছে বড়গুলো আছে.
Oh, there you go.
ওকে
There you go.
আরে ওই নিয়ে যাবে কামড় দিয়ে ক্যামেরায় টুপু কামড় মারতে পারে. হ্যাঁ
He's going here. Thank you. Wants to see. He's seeing himself here. Wow. This look at. Oh, that's beautiful. Follow the nation. The birds are here. There you go. The birds are with me. It's so beautiful. You want some? Look at this yellow bird. This one is the beautiful one. Nice yellow with the red beak on it. I only saw on YouTube. I never seen in live. They come here. Thank you so much. That's my brother. He is the one who's showing me in Medina. Yeah, I will put his number. So when you come to Medina, please check him out, and he will take you everywhere. Not only me, my brother, and anybody comes, he helps them. There you go. This one loves me. Uh-oh, that's gone. Because everybody is having fun here. Kids are having fun. The mom, dads are having fun. Oh, look at it. How many? 6 of them. One in the top. Oh, it's 8. There are 8 of them. Look at it. Beautiful birds here. Beautiful one. Nice. Look at it. These are lovely. Birds are coming out. The birds left me. Everybody, the kids are having fun. The mom, dads are having fun. Look at it. How many? The top. Oh. 7. It's 8. Beautiful birds. Very beautiful.
very beautiful. Nice.
কিন্তু যত্ন সহকারে করতে হয় নাহলে তো মারা যাবেই যাবে. There is some pigeon there, the hen is there, a lot of different pigeons. There is the, look at this in the nest. 2 birds are there with the red beak on that. There's hair there. Nice looking here. Cute little bunny. More birds are there. এগুলো বাচ্চাদের জন্য বাচ্চাদের আনলে এরা বাচ্চা সারা দিন ওরা এখানে ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম জাস্ট এগুলো একটু তুলে নিই The date tree is here, so let me go ahead and look at a couple of the date tree. The date trees are there. We're gonna go get dates from somewhere else. So we're gonna go to the Jinn Pahar now. Just getting out now because this is mostly the kids can come play here. Birds, Mazra. Date garden around here. It's around the Quba Mosque. All those dates garden. Through this your garden, you see that mountain. That's the Oud mountain. That's where the battle happened. Last time we went there, I have a video on that. So please watch that video. Bilal Mosque. I've seen it before, but I never knew there was the one. Everything is moving towards here. There is the Bengali hotel, restaurants, and everything else there. All Haji comes through this. That's how they count. This is Osman Ghani Mosque, or our third Caliph Osman Ghani. That's his mosque. That's all the prisons. That's Gamama, and there are 3 mosques there: Gamama, Abu Bakr, and Ali. This is the tunnel we are going through. Big tunnel. Now we are going to the Jinn mountain. Everything goes opposites. So we'll show you that when you get there. Bye.